Hello students, today I will discuss about number system. The topic is how to convert a decimal number system to its equivalent form of hexadecimal number system of class 7. So, we know that very well. Decimal number system takes the value from 0 to 9. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there? Total 10 digits. 0 to 9, 10 digits. So, the base or radix of this particular number system is 10. So, the base or radix of this particular number system or decimal number system is 10. And now, hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system again contain 0 to 9 as number, we know that, and 10 to 15 as character. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits total? Total 10 digits are there, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 can be represented as A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, and the last one 15 F. So, here is total digits are 6. So, 10 plus 6 means total how many digits? 16 digits. So, the base or radix of the hexadecimal number system is 16. We know that. I will discuss now. I will discuss how to convert the particular decimal number system or a particular decimal number to its equivalent form of hexadecimal number system. So, the example is, suppose the example is 9, 6, 2 base 10 equals to how much of 16. We will convert the particular decimal number system into its equivalent form of hexadecimal number system. So, 962 is divisible divided by 16. That means we will convert the particular decimal number system into its equivalent form of hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system base is 16, that is why it is divisible by 16. 16 into 60, suppose 60 into 16, that means 960. So, the remainder portion is 2, and now again 16 is divisible divided by 60 is divided by 16. 16 3, that means 16 into 3, that means 48. 60 minus 48, the remaining portion is 12. So, the remainder is 12. So, now the answer is written from here to here, that means bottom to top. So, the answer can be written as, so the answer is 3, 12, 2. Now, it is converted into hexadecimal form. Now, the answer is 3, 12 means 10 means A, 11 means B, 12 means C. So, 12 can be converted into C, 3, C and 2. So, the answer of the particular number 962 base 10 is 362 base 16. Sorry, 3C2 base 16. This is the actual example of how to convert a decimal number system into hexadecimal form. First of all, we have to divide the particular number with the help of base of another number system, that is 16. 16 divisible, 16 into 60, that means 960. So, remainder is 2. 16 into 3 48. So, the remainder is 12. 12 can be written as in hexadecimal number system is C. So the answer is 3C2. We will write from bottom to top. So the answer is 3C2. So 962 base 10 equals to how much of 16? 3C2 base 16. This is the actual portion of how to convert a decimal number system to its equivalent form of hexadecimal number system. Clear? And now I will show you computer arithmetic, that means binary addition, binary multiplication, binary subtraction and binary division. So let's start. Binary addition, binary addition rule. Suppose binary addition rule is suppose two digits are there, A and B. We will add the particular two digits A and B. We will get sum and carry CY. A, B, sum and carry. So two digits, suppose four combinations are there, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Four combinations are there. Because of how many digits are there? Total 2 digits. That means 2 to the power 2. Total how many combinations? 4 combinations are there. Suppose here 3 digits are represented. Suppose A, B and C. So the combination are 2 to the power 3 equals to 8 combinations are there. Here we will take only 2 value, 2 digits A and B. That's why the combinations is 2 to the power 2. That means 4. That means 2 into 2. That means 2 into 2. That means 4. So the combination is 4. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So sum 0 plus 0 means 0. Sum 0 carry 0. 0 plus 1 sum 1 carry 0. 1 plus 0 sum 1 carry 0. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. So first one is 0 plus 0. Sum 0 carry 1 carry 0. 0 plus 1 sum 1 carry 0. 1 plus 0 sum 1 carry 0. 1 plus 1, that means sum is 0 and carry is 1. This is the actual condition of binary addition. This is the actual rule how to complete the actual addition. Now I will take an example how to perform binary addition with the help of this particular table. So the example is, suppose 1101 base 2 plus 1110 base 2. We will add the particular two numbers with the help of binary addition. Suppose first number is 1101 and second number is 1110. So 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, we know that 1 plus 0 means sum 1 carry 0. 1 plus 0 means sum 1 carry 0. So no carry is there. Suppose here is carry. Next 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 means also 1. We know that 0 plus 1 means sum 1 but carry is 0. So no carry is there. Sum, only sum is 1. And next 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 means 0 sum carry 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 sum carry 1. Carry can be written by forwarded into the next digit. That means suppose this is D0, this is the bit D0, D1, D2, D3. So after adding the bit, this is the D0, D1, D2 and D3. Adding the bit D2, the carry can be forwarded into the next digit, that is D3. So 1 plus 0 means 1, 0 plus 1 means 1, no carry, 1 plus 1 means 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 means 0 and 1 carry. Carry can be written is, carry also always be forwarded. So here now 1 plus 1. Now 1 plus 1, we know that 1 plus 1 means 2. We know that very well. 1 plus 1 means 2. So the 2 in decimal number system, 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 in the binary number system, 2 can be written as 10, 1, 0. We know that this is, suppose 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So 2 can be written as 1, 0. That means 10. 1 plus 1 means 10. 10 and 1. That means 10 and 1. That means 11. So answer is 11. Answer is 11011. This is the actual answer of binary addition. So I will take another example how to perform binary addition. Suppose another example in your book is given 111001, 111001, next 101100, 101100. We will add the particular number. Suppose 1 plus 0 means, we know that 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0 means 0, 0 plus 1 means 1, 1 plus 0 means 1, 1 plus 1 means 0, but carry is 1. So 1 plus 0 means 1, 0 plus, first one is 1 plus 0, that means 1, 0 plus 0 means 0, 0 plus 1 means 1, 0 plus 1 means 1, 1 plus 0 means 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 means 0 and carry is 1. Carry can be written forwarded by. So the answer is 101101. This is the actual answer of binary addition. This is the performance of binary addition. Clear? So today I will discuss only two topics, that is how to convert a decimal number system into its equivalent form of hexadecimal number system, first topic, and the next topic is binary addition. I will proceed the chapter by binary subtraction, multiplication and division in my next clips. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.